Alright, as you can see, I'm out here at Main Street in Hillsboro. I'm going to try and make this quick because I know there is something coming. It's just called I just heard over the online scare feed them call the signal over at McIntyre in Decatur. But anyways, as you can see, no changes to this signal, thankfully. But over here, it appears this signal got, the old signal got wrecked. We'll get to that in a minute. So they put up a brand new, real tall gated mast here. So this is the first so this is the new signal installed here. It has a Siemens base, Siemens gate mechanism. I'm guessing an S40. The emergency information is not. They have not put it on this signal yet. I imagine they'll take it off the remains of the old signal over there and put it up here when they go to drag that off, I guess, for scrap. But anyways, the lights on it are all Safe Tran 12 by 20 inch lights with GE uniform look LEDs in them, as you can see up there. There's back one of the light heads showing Safe Tran branding on it. Then up top we got a General Signals electronic bell. I'm guessing almost certainly a GS Type 3. And the gate lights on this signal are from Rico, and I assume they are LEDs. In fact, I've not seen the old Rico gate lights here. So yeah, I don't know what happened to those. Man, they just got completely wrecked. Don't know if someone had just simply run down the old signal, which is entirely possible, or if someone got hit and dragged into the old signal, because the old signal is completely smashed. Yeah, I'm not seeing any, unless they're like over underneath the, yeah, I'm not seeing them anywhere. I'm gonna go investigate a bit more shortly. But anyways, here's the old signal. Like I said, completely smashed. It looks like the base is already long gone. But right here is the remains of the Safe Tran S60 gate mechanism it had. As you can see, it is pretty well smashed up. Got there's already Invensys branding on the motors back in the late 2000s. Looked like there was a date of 2009 for when the warranty expired from a little bit of what looked to be the breadboard I saw laying on the other side of the tracks there. Alright, here's the emergency information. See, dot number 731872H. Then you just kind of got the remains of the lights you got the lights scattered here. So a lot of them seem to be in pretty decent shape. And then, so I imagine NS is going to try to reuse them for spare parts. And right here's the damaged Safe Tran Type 3 E-bell. I kind of have to wonder if it'd still work. Well, there's a giant ant down there. But yeah, this is where they've just left the remains of the old signal. I haven't seen any remains of the cover anywhere for the gate mechanism. But yeah, just thought I'd show y'all it. There's another look at the signal here. And so yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all see the view looking south here. I've never recorded this side of the cross. I've been meaning to for a long time, but the sun's still on the south side of the track, so that's where I'm gonna shoot from today for this trans coming. So yeah, just thought I'd show a quick update here at Main Street in Hillsboro, Alabama. Over and out.